Hi peeps, on today's video I'm basically gonna show you how to sharpen your chef knife using a sharpening steel. Now, as I said before, using a sharpening steel your rub knife, what you want to do is ensure that you're holding the steel by the handle. This will prevent you from cutting yourself or any other hazard. What you want to do is ensure now to place the knife on the steel at a 45-degree angle. What this does is basically straighten the edge of the knife. What I want to do is from the heel of the knife straight to the tip, 45-degree angle right through. So you're gonna do like say 10 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then turn. From the heel to the tip. And please ensure, keep the knife on the steel at a 45-degree angle. Now you don't have to do it this quick. As beginners, you just take a little time until you get it right.